Alright guys, back here again. The antique Montgomery Wards. Montgomery Ward self-propelled ancient weird snowblower. So as you can tell, it has a vertical shaft engine. Crankshaft goes up and down, kind of like a lawnmower. I don't see many of these. So this thing's called 3.5 horsepower dependable power plus. Nice. I don't know what the snowblower itself is called. It's pretty basic. Here's the blade on this sucker. So it's a single stage. It has a little flat thing there that throws the snow. So this is going to get clogged up like hell because today it is snowing out. It's that wet, heavy stuff. We'll go give her a run. Maybe I'll video for a second while I'm running it. Just check out how this old thing works in wet snow. It's like 32 degrees and snowing. Apparently she only wants to run slow. The guys just turn her up. Working. Got it. Alright, I'm okay with that. We'll get her done. Well, the thing worked awesome. As you can see, right down to the cement. Even where there's ice, this thing is a beast. Thing's got power for days. I wish I could show it. Thing can climb probably a 45-degree hill, no problem. Pushing snow. Never got clogged once. This is a wet, heavy snowball snow, if you will. But she was just running just fine, and she shut off when she got hot. This is about the same distance I got last time. It did this time. There's a new problem. We got the full starter there. Don't grab anymore. She needs a rebuild, like I knew was going to happen. It's an old machine. You want to play with the Montgomery Ward, sometimes you got to fix them. It's entirely doable, though. Alright, guys, back here after that little debacle. I got some of the driveway done. It's no big deal to shovel the rest, but if you hear that clicking, it's this diesel heater running. It says 15C in here. What's that, like 60-something degrees? This is up here 50, but it feels warmer than that in here. So this thing right here, the radiator I got hooked to the exhaust, the steam radiator, it gets really hot. It's kind of cool. This is, you see, like, it's hot. I cook food out here. I cooked a burger. It gets so hot on this steam radiator. There's no fumes. I can warm stuff up on this side. Like, this is hot enough to almost burn me. It's like, you can see the temperature. So here, it's only like 100. Over here, you get onto that, it's like 160, just in the immediate area. But yeah, what I came up with was like a cooking device that I'm going to make that hooks up right there. I don't know. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked as I tend to do. I got to rebuild the carburetor on this Polaris, so if you watch my other videos, you might see that. I don't know if I'm going to record it or not, but I'm going to rebuild the carb. She just barely runs, just on starting fluid. So anyway, though, so I was looking at this thing more closer, and pretty interesting. So you got this is a belt drive control for your traction. It's real easy to pull, real nice, real tight. This thing just freewheels. So I'm pushing it right now, just freewheels real nice and easy. Those wheels roll like they're on good bearings, and they are. They actually have a bearing plate, and they don't build them like this anymore. This is just a little thing. But yeah, it's got that really neat adjustment for the, so you just swing that side to side there. And then you got, tried looking here. I got my hat lights on, but you probably can't see in there. But you can see that little bit of the tail of the gearbox sticking out. I could probably show you from underneath. But basically just the shaft comes down. There's a small pulley on that, and then a bigger one right here that's just a little bigger, just a short little belt. And then that runs to a little gearbox transfer thing that has like a little pulley on it. I don't know, you'll see when I take it apart. I'll try to show it better. And then same thing with the auger drive. That pulls really easy. This right here, you just pull that down, pulls that little lever down, which is pulling some kind of pulley inside of here. The neat part is there's like another transfer, a little power transfer rod there with a little tiny mini gearbox. So there's a couple of those little mini directional gearboxes, which I find really neat. So I'm gonna have to rebuild or clean all of those up, but that's for another video. So if you like this video and you want to see another one, you just jam me down a comment. I'll know to make another video of it as I tear it down.